There we go, there we go. Alright, good stuff. Welcome, welcome. Morning, everyone. Let's get this ready. Good morning. Right. Right. I think we're okay over here. Let's just take a look. Someone says low volume. I think we're okay. Okay. Looks like GJ is potentially coming up over here.
Morning, guys.
Morning, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Okay, beautiful work. So, let's just take a look just in case there's any news first. Nope. No news, we should be good. Bank holiday today for the US, so no NY session. Because there'll be low volume. Let's read that for a sec. Right, beautiful stuff. So let's just get it involved over here. So looks like GJ is potentially coming up over here, maybe exceeding the highs, and exceeding the potential high of previous Friday. 4 hour is also coming up as well, so kind of bullish structure here, really nice. All higher highs, higher lows as well, looking pretty good. Looking at on the hourly time frame as well, looking pretty nice. There is a resistance here, looks like we're starting to close above, which is good. Taking a look on the lower time frames, it's probably best to just move this line to here. Okay, wicked stuff. So like this. Actually, wait. So you can see that our resistance line is here. However, there's a lot of stuff here as well. So I'm probably gonna wait specifically for buys above 607. I think. Yeah, that looked pretty nice. I think. Potentially in 2 minutes time of closure, you get the 30-minute closing above. That'll be quite nice as well. So it does look pretty good for us to continue really here. Yeah, very interesting. Oh, wait, that's the 15-minute. 1 second. Was I in the 5-minute before? Yeah, I was. Okay, so the 15-minute resistance is actually at 590. Beautiful. So if we get a closure in the next 1 minute 30 time, then potential buys will be valid, and we can continue up. So buys above 1565.90. Okay, wicked stuff. A little higher, there we go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone in YouTube as well. Welcome. So, if you do take buys above over here, where are you potentially targeting first? Well, I can see that there is a little resistance here at 750, and then if you do come above over here, then we've got a nice zone to fill, potentially back up to 157. So quite nice targets as well. Wicked stuff. Morning everyone. Okay, yeah, beautiful work. So it looks pretty nice here to continue potentially. Let me just get my coffee over here. Let's write some signal. Maybe it could be quite good. Ooh, taking a look at some taking a look at potential stop losses, and oh, that's beautiful. Okay, wicked stuff. Wicked stuff. So easy. GG buy soon. Okay, wicked stuff. Wow, 38 people in Zoom already. Goal looks clean too. Wicked stuff. I'll take a look at that as well. Nice. So we've got a closure over here. Okay, right. 15 Stop loss is going to be here, 526. Okay, I'm pretty happy to take this, so I'll put this on over here. If it does exceed this high, then I'm going to go for it with the 15 minutes. Because, why do I not really mind about this top wick really, this bottom wick? Well, because the fact that we've already made a little one here, and also the stop loss in general is very, very good. So I've entered a trade over here. You've seen the high, stop loss below the previous candle. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So I've got a beautiful, let's take a look over here. 9 pips stop. That's why I'm not really too bothered. I'm happy with that risk to reward, and yeah, we should be continuing up over here. So yeah, beautiful work. Let me just put this over here. Buy stop. And we should be good. So nice closure above. This is a pretty simple setup. And yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Good morning from Nairobi. Oh, good morning. Good morning. From Nairobi. Jeez. So yeah, it looks pretty good to continue over here. 4-hour structures looking gorgeous. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
I cannot enter an IC market. I don't know why.
Oh God, Milan.
I don't know why, because I took withdrawal on my funds from Forex funds. I don't know why.
Oh God.
I did payouts.
Yeah. I remember you saying you're doing your payouts for sure.
I enter manually.
You enter manually.
Was too quick.
Yeah, I'm doing them manually, but shit.
Yeah, I got you like right now. 17, 617. How are you gonna manage risk? Yeah, we're gonna get to that in a sec. But at the moment, it's only 9 pips. I'm not really too bothered. But for soon, I will put it when we get in this 4-hour flip. I'll take 50% off. For sure, for sure. So 550, yeah. Could be quite interesting. So yeah, it is US bank holiday, so I think later on it'll be quite slow volume, so just leave it. Just leave it about. Yeah, 157 would be nice today, I think. Taking a look at this daily, exceeded the high of the daily as well. The previous daily looking good. Let me just push the little thing on over here. Looking very, very nice to start off the week. Pretty simple that, just a closure above, not hard at all really. Pretty clean and simple. Yeah, Friday last week was fucking sick, man. It was very, very nice. It's very, very good. Right, let's take a look over here. We are live now in a GJ trade. Make sure to come and join and see us. And yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hope everyone's weekend was good as well. I had some good fun. What the fuck? Oh, right there. I was very, very hungover yesterday. My God, I was dying. I was dying. I was dying very much so. So yeah, first one will be 740. That'll be quite a nice resistance zone, to be honest. And yeah, potential runners would be nice as well if it closes back above 750. Nice zone to 157 would be nice. Are you in buys? Yes. This weekend I went to Milan. Jeez. Yeah, so this is a buy. Higher time frames all with me. We've got a closure above, so it looks like this setup. 1 second. Looks like that. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Take a look. There we go. So closure above, strong candle as well. Got a nice 9 pip stop, so very, very happy with that. And we should continue, really. Pretty simple, man.
Shit, I didn't. I just emailed my forex funds. Why my trades are disabled?
Oh no.
Fuck, man. Oof.
Martin,
Nice trade. Nice trade.
yeah, man, should be good. Pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with it over here. Very, very nice. I'll say like when we come to, let's take a look over here. We come to like here, put stop loss to break even. So it's looking good, but potentially now I'm going to start to think of where can I manage my risk. So I'm going to take a look and drop down on the 5-minute time frame just to give me a little evidence. And for me, if we came back into this zone like here, 556, I think it wouldn't be looking too good. So I'm going to take off 50% at 156.556. Okay, so you've got to always try and manage the trade as you go on. So when we're in this trade, if we come here, I'm going to take off 50%. Take off 50% at 156.555. That's how you can really.
Hey Max,
really
with how the 15-minute looks now, would you consider moving it to that low?
my what? To that stop loss to that low? Nah, I want to give it more time. No. Towards the end of this candle, yeah, we've still got 7 minutes left. I want to give it enough room.
Got you.
Yeah. So let me just put that on over here. So FN. Activate. Wicked stuff, wicked stuff. Let's take a look at any more questions. Max, could you make a video about your magic key settings? Yes, I've got one actually. I could put that on. Moving the whole stop there isn't bad. Yeah, I mean, I still think it's a bit too early though. I still want to give it a bit more time. So anyway, if I lose this trade now, I'll take 50% off here at 6 pips and the rest at 9. So I'll lose like 7 pips, 6 pips. That's fine. That is very, very fine. We know towards like 7:30 is there's normally a nice bit of volume, so should be goody. Should be good to start off the Monday morning. What do you think about the chart and Discord? Let's take a look. So let's take a look at Louis' chart over here. Buys above 156.580. Yep, that's what I was looking at for sure. Stops to break even. Oh, stops to break even zone at 14 pips. Damn. I suppose. And then 50 pips furthermore. Nice. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to be honest. Sells below 156.074. Looks pretty good as well. I think you could probably get in sells a bit earlier. Oh, that's the daily flip though. Yeah, looks pretty good. Clean candles, man. Very, very nice. Good work. Looks like it could come down over here. Wicked stuff. Still nowhere near my 50% off, so take 50% off here.
Max, would you consider closing anything if it breaks this low here?
Nope. Nope, because it's still a 15-minute.
I think we can close something after the 15-minute close back in the range.
Yeah, that's what I'd be doing. For sure, for sure. So if this candle here closes like this, then yeah, I will. If it closes like this, I may just keep it on because small body candle. It's got wicks to the downside. Because look at the 30-minute as well. 30-minute is still valid.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take off a trade when I know it's still valid. That'd be silly. That would be silly. I'm looking
All time frame is breaking the high.
Yeah, exactly.
Daily 4 hour.
Exactly, man. What is your stop loss? Yeah, you know where my stop loss is. Pretty simple. Below the previous Very, very nice stop. What was your entry price? 617, I think, for mine. Oh yes. A pretty simple setup over here. I'm very, very happy with it, and because we can manage it pretty nicely as well, it's great. It's 5 minutes needs to push, boy. 4 minutes left of this 15. Okay. 30 minutes still valid. Hourly's looking good. Hey, 4 looks good. Yeah, man. Looks good to fly, boy. Looks good to fly. Yeah, for sure. 157 very, very soon would be nice. Gotta admit. Make sure to like the stream, guys, on YouTube. While we're in this trade over here, but showing you how to manage it from start to finish should be good. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Let's see if London's actually a bit volatile this week. Hopefully, bring a bit more volume in, which would be nice. I'm hoping for sure. Maybe today it might not be because US's stuff. So yeah, no stream for NY today. You need to be careful with that. Look, coming down over here in 3 minutes time, it's going to be closing back in the zone. Taking 50% off here and the rest here. Let's take a look at the 30 minute as well. 30 minutes still okay. Still hasn't exceeded the low of the previous, which is reasonable. So potential re-entries later as well, but we'll see. 5 minute not looking good. Yep. That's why we're going to manage. So 2 minutes 30 left. Wicked stuff. What do you think about the channel Discord? Yeah, we took a look at that, which is really, really good stuff. But yeah, last week, the finish of last week was really good. Friday was tasty, man. Friday was tasty. You got some beautiful cells in this bitch. Very, very clean candles. Can you see here? Very, very clean. We took cells here, we took cells here, there, and we took cells here as well. It was very, very good. So can you see when price is trending, it's so easy to take trades. I mean, this is pretty fucking easy. I got in there, took some off here, and then I got in here. After this top wick was 4, and then we flipped, easy 10 pips. Took like 10 seconds. Was pretty good. Was pretty nice. Now made the low wick of the 15 minute now. Pretty good. Closing in a minute 30 time. 5 minutes rejecting this area though, which is nice. Closing above the range nearly, I think. So if this closes like this above the range, that's good, but what am I going to do? Where am I going to put my stop? Someone tell me.
Below this 50-minute candle.
Yeah.
After.
Beautiful, Michael. I'm going to put it here. Because now the stop here is not valid because the next 15 is closed above. It should respect this low and continue bullish. Yeah, boy. So that is how you manage a trade, really, because then there, I've got a beautiful stop down. It's still exactly the same move. 4 or 5 pip stop. Oh! 5 pip stop. Oh, yes. I'll have a bit of that, like. I'll have a bit of that. I closed half. Nice. I did not, because it never hit 554. Because look on the 5 minute. Just wanted to respect this zone, and it has. Pushed back up. How's your girlfriend, Max? She's very, very good. She was very hungover yesterday. Yeah, she's good, man. Right, beautiful. Got a closure over here. So let's just get this over here. Move.
What the fuck, man?
Land's having a mental breakdown over here. Right, take a look. Move. Full stop. Loss to.
Shit, I really like this trade.
You can jinx it now, man.
Beautiful. 5 pips. Stop.
Yeah, man, very, very tasty. So here we go. Let's get this off. Delete that. Move full stop loss to there, and we should be good. Very, very nice. I closed too early. Yes, you did. Fun fact: I never had a hangover. Oh, what? Fucking hell, my hangovers are rough. My hangovers are fucking dangerous. I'd be like, hell no. 5-minute close in there is a nice 5-minute closure. Just making the low wicket to 15. Just gotta respect the low of the previous. If it doesn't, then I might be out. We have to wait until London Open over here.
Yeah, that bitch is gonna fly at 9. Actually 8.
8, yeah. So making the lower wick. Now I think if this flips we should be good now. It's done it like twice now. There's a Chinese news today that came out. Oof. Never had a hangover. It's just fun seeing anyone. Mate, how have you never had a hangover? Like, some people are just immune to that shit, man. Fuck, I am definitely not. I am known for having hangovers. Fucking dead. Like complete. Like the next day is a complete write off. Like I'm not doing anything on that day. Oh come on, GJ man, give me some move, boy. Give me that push, boy. Still got a lot of time though. As long as it respects that low, I'm happy with this one. Just taking its time now. It keeps on coming down to a certain zone and then retracing quite a lot, which is good. But just needs to start pumping, boy. Need some MJ. Sure do. I'll take a look at gold and etc. in them in a sec. This is pretty okay now. Nah, look at gold. People said gold looks good. Gold looks nice for some reason. Wow, okay. So gold. Goldy boy. Gold is bullish. Okay, gold is bullish on the daily time frame. The last one's closed bearish. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. The 4-hour over here is bullish as well. With quite a strong candle coming towards 4-hour resistance here. Oh my god, that's mad. So yeah, 4-hour bullish, 1-hour bullish, looking nice, looking nice. The only issue I have is it's coming towards 4-hour resistance right here, which is a bit annoying. Looking at on the 30-minute, let's take a look how close that is. 20 pips to this high. I probably want a closure potentially above this region, I think, maybe 1823.2, but then there's a lot of traffic to the left here. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. I mean, you could try and ride it up. There's only 20 pips though, but it could be okay to the highs. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, it's just this hourly resistance that would put me off this, to be honest. Fucking hell, come on, GJ. So the last 2 weeks, 7:30 has been more volume than 8 o'clock. Maybe it's changed back now over here, so we'll get some volume 8, which is nice. Yeah, also on gold, you know, to the US is going to be closed all today, so maybe no trades for gold today, I think. I think that would be a bit risque. So still respected. The lows of previous. This hasn't exceeded the high yet, but still valid. 30 minutes, got 9 minutes left. This is when it should start to run off, to be honest. The last 9-10 minutes of a 30-minute is the only way you get the push, hopefully. If it's 8 o'clock and I'm still in the trade, then that's fine. I'll still probably hold it on if we still like respect this low, etc. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. When this starts pushing off and starts running, though, I think we should be good, man. There's 15 pips here, 40 pips here, so there's a lot of big, nice ranges as well. It's not like the ranges are small, so wait for hourly closure. Yep, I would now if I wasn't in the trade, but I've been in this for nearly 30 minutes now, so yeah, I'd wait for the hourly to get back in. Fucking hell, look at this 5 minutes just stuck in this little zone here. Get some volume in you, man. Let's take a look then. Yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys. Build that up. This week is going to be the giveaway, so yeah, get ready for that. That's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be pretty fun. Let's take a look. Yeah, move stop loss 1560. Beautiful. Let's see. Last week as well on the small account, pretty good. I posted all on my YouTube, not my YouTube, sorry, on my Instagram. But last week was, yeah, it's pretty good. Let's take a look over here. Oh shit, I did the wrong one there. Last week. There we go. So this is in profit. Let's just do where is it? Time there. Yeah, so really good. You know, started off quite hard. It was pretty hard over here, GJ. Through London session, but then yeah. So all you have to do is minimize your losses. You can see over here my losses were very, very small. Minus 30, minus 20, minus 20. And then my winners were 70, 50, all that good stuff. So that's what you gotta do. That's all you gotta manage. So coming down over here, 7 minutes left, not looking too good, but that's fine with me. A nice 5 pip stop is good any day. It's good any day. It's a 1k account, maybe, or a 2k account, I think, 2k maybe. What account did you begin with on the small account? I just put in 2 grand in it. So yeah. So coming down over here, my stop is at 560 just here. And yeah, me get stopped out in a sec. We'll see, we'll see. So if this 30-minute over here closes bearish back below, that's not looking too good, is it? Not looking too good to continue, even on the hourly. So got to be careful, got to wait a bit more, I think. So there we go, stopped out over here. Beautiful work, nice managing of risk over here. So stop loss hit minus 5 pips. Milan's like, yeah, bro. Thank God for that.
No. I'm not like that. If you lose, I lose, man.
GJ.
I got emotional.
Minus 5 pips over here. Yeah, taking his time, so this will be quite a big fake out, to be honest. That looked pretty clean, especially with these candles strong. But yeah, that'll be a big fake out. I think a lot of people will get caught on that. So, what can I say? Oh, mate, I'm not going to talk about account sizes ever again. Jeff, as you always talk about account sizes and like lot sizes, it's really not fucking hard. Like, oh my god, like. Some people like love to talk about the account sizes and lot sizes of it. It's like, it's really not fucking hard maths, please, for the love of God. Like, focus on the trading, not the fucking lot size. Just set a lot size, which is 1 to 2% of your account. Bob's your uncle. It's not fucking hard. So 30-minute over here still valid, hasn't exceeded the low of the previous. But yeah, we gotta wait. Maybe potential re-entry soon. We'll see. Maybe a bit of London volume will happen. Let's take a look to see if any more streamers on. Was Dr. Dollar on over here? See if my Dr. Dollar on. Yeah, he is. Let's take a look. Oof, pushing down pretty hard, man. I got roasted by Max once because of lot sizes. Ooh, looks
So
like
trading
Dr.
above 500.
Looks like Dr. Dollar was in a buy as well.
Oh, this is a good question for Daniel. How do you stake?
Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, 4 minutes time. Potential closing back below over here. Damn, son, damn. That's mad. So we'll take a look on the hourly. I want it to close definitely above, obviously 550. But we'll see. 30 minute though. 3 minutes left.
What do you think of this GA coming down, Maxi boy?
Let's take a look. Let's take a look, boy. GPA.
Previous 4-hour close bearish. Bit far out. Kind of bullish structure, but
Yeah,
seems to
steady
be closing.
4 hour bearish, exceeding the level
Yeah.
of the previous. Take a look at the 30 minute 15.
Just closing out of a range and looks alright, you know?
Like here, right?
Yeah, like right there.
Yeah, come back down to here.
Come back to there, yeah.
Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, flipping it back down. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good, man. 30 minute closing like that, for sure. Wick for a top wick and then fly it down, for sure. That could be pretty good. 15 pips as well. You have the 4 hour with you. You have... Do you have the daily with you as well? 1 sec. 4 hour.
You don't really have the daily, but
Ah, you got the daily with you as in like now. Like it's still bearish.
oh
but
yeah,
it's
yeah,
super
yeah.
bullish.
Yeah, it is.
Like previous day.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the only issue. That is the only issue. I bet someone is still in the trade. Here, yeah. Well, I got out nicely there. I'm happy to get out there. Yeah, I think that GA could be okay. But yeah, the only issue is it's super bullish. That is the only issue. Look at the weekly as well. But, so, you know, if you do go against, you know, kind of the structure, all you have to do is wait for a nice top wick here. If it does that and then flips, then
GU was looking nice on 15.
and GU, I'm fucking all about GJ. GJ work, man. Come on, boy. So let's take a look at that loss over here. Let's take a look today. Yeah, beautiful loss, £28, and that's gorgeous. Let's take a look at GU then as well.
We got weak, we got closure. And the flip will be nice.
So
Yeah, we got 16 take profit, 16 pips.
daily's a little bit bullish. The 4 hours bullish. 4 hour is bullish. The hourly over here, 30 minute and 15 are coming up. Oh shit. Yeah, 15 minutes closed above over here. Little minor resistance there as well, but it's closed above that anyway. 30 minutes closing in 40 seconds. The hourly is as well. So yeah, potentially looks pretty good. Same with GA. I risked 1,002 initially and ended up with a 600 loss on my FOREX. So I'm still at 4%. Beautiful, Craig. Beautiful work. That's what you gotta do, man. Just manage the loss. That was a 100% a good trade though. Like, and especially now it's closing like this. Like we 100% got out at the right time there as well. There's nothing you could have done about that because we got in on this closure when it made the low wick. It pushed up, still closed bullish, and then yeah, this one just could not continue. But the full stop loss was here at 10 pips, and we've only lost, you know, like 5, 6, something like that. Wait, I got in here, like 17 there. So yeah, like 6 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. So for potential sells in GJ as well, it looks like these hourlies here are closing on resistance. So sells could be valid, but I'd probably want it a bit more with nicer structure. Can you see all this shit? It's pretty nasty. I'm still bullish overall, so I'm just gonna have to wait for some more closures above. I don't know what to do when Magic Key says unable to open trades. It's normally, what's the reason why? There's normally a reason for it when you. Is it the auto algo trading button on? Auto trade is off. Yeah, try auto trade. That's what I meant. Algo trading. Oh, beautiful. Got a subscriber over here. Thank you very much for subscribing. So, for me, I'm not going to lie, GA is probably looking the tastiest, if I'm honest, with this top win.
GU is flipping.
Yeah, GU looks good as well, man. Where would you stop be? Stop be here, 8 pips, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, looking very good.
Right, I'm liking this GA, I'm not going to lie. Where would my stop be? I'd kind of want it on the high of the previous 15. 9 pips, okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take this if this flips. Right, let's take a look over here. Someone say, compared to GJ, what's your risk on GA? It's like I think it's like 80% of GJ. Yeah, like 80-70%. Something like that. Not too bad. Not too bad. So GA sell stop. So I'm gonna get in on the flip. Clean candles all the way down as well, which is tasty, which is very, very nice. Like 592. $1.89 694. So let's take a look at targets. So for sure could come back down here, 14 pips. Furthermore at 1.89 299 1.89 200. Beautiful. So yeah, as long as it doesn't exceed the high of the previous, then yeah. London volume is bearish. Looks like it. Looks like GJ's coming off over here as well. Really rejecting. So I want to, I want to see the squad over here on Dr. Dollars. I want to know how he's managing his risk. That is what I like to see with other people's, because he is in the SPY over here. So yeah, potentially come back down now. Wow. So let's take a look at the daily now. Daily did exceed the high though, but yeah, if this is just the top wick, then damn, it's going downtown for sure. It's just where to get in for sells. For me, this is quite a choppy area. I wanted nice clean buys with clean structure above, but for me, I'm probably going to look for sells below here. 375 area. I think that would be a bit reasonable, yeah. Like right around this area, then I'd potentially look.
Tickle it.
So it looks like he's
Literally like a fucking.
Damn, bro. No
managing
way.
risk over here.
5 pips away, boys.
You got him.
Remember when you used to pray?
See, that's the only reason why I like about mine. Like I know, like Dr. Dolly here doing well. Here's a bit bigger stops, but you know, mine was valid. And if it isn't valid, you're just holding on for dear life over here. They know it's not going well. Gotta take that off, boy. But beautiful. I'm sure you'll manage risk soon. But there's no lower wick on the previous candle. What's this for? What's this for, boy? Let's take a look. I've got potential buys above 760, 740. Sorry. Yeah, that's the same as me over here as well. That'd be the next resistance line. So buys above there too would be nice for sure. For sure. So it is 8 o'clock, perfect time to take some trades as well. So we'll take a look and see over here if we can get it. GA, yeah, GA is looking nice. Got not still got enough time in the 15-minute. Beautiful work, and we should be going nice. 23 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, really good managing that trade. I'm glad I don't have that on anymore. I'd be down here pretty bad. So if I held this trade on, I'd be down 13 pips now. So that's what you gotta do, man. Gotta manage that bitch. If price wanted to continue here, it wouldn't have exceeded that low, and it did. So hell no, boy. And that is what you gotta learn. You gotta learn to manage the trades accordingly. Where the fuck is this GJ trade? 1 second, guys. There. Wicked stuff. GJ coming down. Fuck. It's gonna tap him out over here. Good risk reward though. So yeah, same scenario for me. It looked very good for buys. Just you can't do sometimes with that with the fake outs. And that was like a double fake out, 2 closures above as well. So.
It's really taking a big psychology though.
Oh yes, oh yes. I deleted GA. Yep, looks like it's coming up over here. And look at the higher time frames now. So it didn't respect the high of the previous 15. So therefore it is now invalid. So I'm gonna delete them to sell stops. So feeling very happy with that GJ trade now. Beautiful work. So still a lot of bearish structure over here. Damn, boy. So let's just delete this now. Beautiful work. I'll delete this on my MetaTrader as well. Nice. So nice work. Let's do this here. Good morning. But there's yeah, it's okay. So it looks like, yeah, this price action for me here is not an entry candle. There's lots of wicks here, man. Unless you wanted to get this drive down, but it still hasn't even hit 10 pips yet. I'm going to be a bit cautious now. We've given one thing a chance. It was very hard. We got faked out over here. And now we got to chill. If you're wanting potential trades again, I'm going to have to wait for closure back above 600, I think. I think that'll be reasonable. Dominion market's not working today. Oh, I don't know. I do not have Dominion markets, so I would not know. Ooh, looks like G over here would have got stopped out a break even. Milan, would that have 4 pips profit?
No, not yet. G was still valid.
Yeah.
Didn't touch that wick.
Yeah. Only issue is these wicks here, man.
Yeah.
So I may have.
I would enter that for sure.
Yeah.
I would enter that for sure. The Geo.
Yeah.
Especially because of my spreads. You know?
Oh,
but
yes.
fucking my forex funds. I emailed them. I'm waiting for the email.
Yeah.
My trades are disabled. I don't know why.
So let's take a look at what the daily's actually telling us on GJ. Always, if you get a bit confused of where price is going. So yeah, it only did just exceed it a little bit. Maybe on FXM it may not have. But if this then does flip over here, it's got a nice candle to fill. So yeah, interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, potentially sells below 379 is what I'm going to look for, I think. That is where I'm going to look, because that is a support area. You can see here, support area. So if we get a closure below here, the probability to continue down to here, and then here, and then here is pretty good. So, and you'll have the higher time frames with you nearly. So, pretty good. Gold making a break and retest on the 1 hour. I think if you trying to get in gold, you've probably missed the move, to be honest. I mean, the space to the resistance is 8 pips. It's not even worth it. If you wanted to get into gold, your trade was probably here or here, exceeding that high, or using a 5-minute to get in. So I probably would have got in here. Let's take a look. If I would have got in here, stop loss would have been either there or there. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been quite nice. Expecting price to push off over here. But if you're trying to get in now, you know, you need to always look to the left, man. Dr. Dollar was in for the buy and flipped for the sell. Oh, he's in the sell now? No, he's not in the sell. He's still in the buy, boy. He's still in the buy, boy. It's good work, good work. You just spotted in him late, yeah. Maybe dollar's best. Someone's saying, has he sent a verification to my Forex fund? That's what they're asking. This verification, is it? I do not know. So 4 hour is bearish now. Damn, that was looking such a nice structure as well. But a 5 pip stop loss, a 5 pip loss is what you need to be taking, man. You can't get annoyed with them. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. And that's what I mean, man. If you take the losses, and you know, like, so on my account over here, my losses on average are like, let's take a look. They're like 30 quid. So today was £30 here. 30, 30, 23, 20, 10. Then my winners, my lowest winner was 36. My highest one was 100, then 70. So you can see they're so much bigger. So even when the times are quite hard and there's not much profitability, as in like probable setups, you can still be highly profitable as long as you just chill out, boy. Hi, Max. Do you think we have bought the high? Hell no. We have nowhere near bought the high. How have we bought the high? The high would be up here. The high would be like, yeah, like up here. That's buying the high. This is just a complete fake out. It's fine. The hourlies over here are looking good to potentially close. You know, the one thing that I saw over here is the hourly was pushing above and closing, but can you see though, at that 8 o'clock, if I was still in this trade at 8 o'clock and I saw this, I probably would have closed the full thing anyway. The hourly could not close above this zone again for the second time, so that would have been a warning sign for sure. So even if I was still in this trade, because I was still holding the 10 pips, I would have closed full at the hourly open, because the hourly closed really bad. And now I'm looking at sells, to be honest, at below 380. So yeah, let's take a look and mark that out over here.
I would lost GU for sure.
Take a look over here. So a lot of fake outs over here. Damn.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. That's really, really good work. Really, really good work, man. I'm gonna do a YouTube video today. That's gonna be one of my things to do. Yeah. Ooh. Look at GA now. Oh. 14 pip stop, 15 pip stop, 14, 15 pip gain. Looks like a little volume over here. I can see that my IC market's coming up nice. So a 15-minute closure, strong bearish. Yeah, I would not be in any of these buys no more. Hell no. Potentially exceeding the low of the previous hourly as well. So, you know, the kind of structured things is scary. I'm going to be a bit cautious because, look, we've exceeded the high. We're about to exceed the low of the previous, so a bit scary. Man, this month has been tough. It's been very, very hard, but it's been nice on some days, but yeah, been very, very hard in the way price moves for sure, man. So in 40 minutes time, I'll see if we get a closure over here. That's what I'll be looking for. Looks like the GBP pairs have been pretty bearish. Yeah, this hourly, if this hourly flips, is pretty good, to be honest. It's just, would you want a 14 pip on GA potentially? $30 minutes left, and let's see if we can get it, man. Let's see if we get it. 27 likes, beautiful stuff on YouTube. Let's get it. I'm gonna go get my vape. 1 sec, 'cause I've got one now. I'm gonna go puff on that bitch. 1 sec, I'll go get it. Oh, this chair's so comfy, man. Fuck. So yeah, the only issue I have with GA is that the 15 minutes goes back above. That's my only issue. The 30 minute looks okay though. I don't see the low, but that would put me off taking that trade for sure. For sure. So yeah, it'll only be 8:30. We still got a lot of time. A lot of time over here. GA taking a sell at the flip. Oh, are you? That'll be nice. We'll see. See how you can do over here. Let's take a look at some more streams over here. Quite a quiet day. Oh my god. He's got a worse comment than me. My comments are decent. He goes, bro, I risked my whole life savings.
15 minute, the 156.650, I actually didn't see this before, but it filled to the downside. So that's why we dropped like fuck. I didn't see.
My god, look at that comment. That's not a fake out. It's a liquidity grab. You sound like a rookie. Nah, that's a fake out. That is a fucking fake out. That is 100% a fake out on the 30 minute and on the 15 minute. Price closed above resistance, which is here, and then came back and came close back in the zone, even though it exceeded the high. That's a fake out. Liquidity grab. I fucking hate that, man. Liquidity grab. Fuck off, man. It's just people who just trying to use these clever words to think they're good traders. I don't give a dog's bollocks if you call it a fucking liquidity grab or not. It's a fake out, you dumbass. Oh my god. Like, can we please stop like this fucking whole thing about like using fancy words? I don't give a dog's bollocks if you call things fucking order blocks, liquidity grabs, fucking banks are coming to get you. I still make money and you don't. Shut the fuck up. I swear they go on like a fucking dictionary and you just find the most random words for trading. Like, this is an order block, RSI, liquidity pull grab. It's like, oh my god.
Yeah, mate, that shit.
Yeah, man. Drop in by, spread some good vibes. Peace and love, my man. Peace and love. Good stuff. Bring some good vibes all the time. Yeah. Smart money concepts. Oh, this looks tempting to get in, but I'm just gonna keep myself from doing it just because that 15 closed back above. Smart money concepts. Fucking hell. The best is shark fin. Yeah, I might do a video on for like noobs, I think, for YouTube today, but I'm also gonna do a good one as well. Basically about like, you know, all those trading setups online that people look at, like, oh yes, this trading setup, like a fucking Head and Shoulders or some shit. I feel that traders, when they look for setups and they see like, oh, head and shoulders, they feel the next Warren Buffett. But what they're actually realizing is, so like there's kind of like a head and shoulder kind of thing here, like kind of like this. Okay. But the issue is what people will try and do is, before this is here, they will take a sell randomly here. And it's like, you don't know it's going to come down. Wait for a fucking candle closure like this, and then you're good. Just wait. Try not to guess that it's going to be it, because it might not be. It's all about, like, you know, getting the confirmation it's going to do this, not just guessing.
Sorry, the head and shoulders is actually there.
Yeah, I know it is, yeah. But I'm saying that people...
Like going diagonally.
Yeah. I'm saying that people will try and take this head and shoulders here when this candle easily could have just ran off. You wait for a candle closure like this, and then you got it nicely.
Yeah, and that closure is then basically just your closure below support.
yeah, exactly. Or it'd be like this, right? So let's just see we're down here. Price comes down like this. Then price comes back up like this. And at this point, someone will take a sell on this candle. It's like, why don't you just fucking hold your ball sacks and wait 15 minutes for a fucking closure like this? Oh shit. Like this. And now you've got confirmation that you're rejecting the zone, and now you do have resistance forming. A lot of people try and get in a buy here, a sell here, and all it'll do is come down, close back above, and then you're fucked. Like,
that used to be me. Like, I used to just impulse on stuff that I saw online, and I was just like, oh man.
Like, yeah.
It's so bad. The only thing I possibly do now is look at it as like a confirmation. Like that wick there, I just see as like a retest potentially. But then that's just what I'm looking at anyway with your technique.
Exactly.
It's just giving me confirmation that I need to wait for that top wick. That's it.
Someone says, then stop looking at his live stream. Dr. Dollar's my friend, man. I wasn't talking about him. I was talking about his chat. His fucking gulag. His gulag's funny. But it's his gulag. It's not him as a person. I like Dr. Dollar. He's a good lad. Good lad. But have you heard if the bullish bat harmonic pattern? The bat, yes. GA Seru play, yeah, I mean, potentially. The only issue is this 15 is closed above, and it would be kind of against it because it's closed and back above this zone. If this 15 closed below it, like in this area, then yeah, I probably would have taken that, but it didn't, so I'm going to be a bit cautious here. Especially at the moment now, because the price is moving a bit odd. I'm just going to chill a bit. 30 minutes closing in 6 minutes time. I do want a closure below 377, which would be nice for me. If not, then I'm going to wait for another 15. If not, then I'll wait for another 15. But yeah, good stuff. It's only the start of the week.
Max, what would you reckon was the reason for not getting that that movement going up with volume?
That movement, what? Where?
Sorry, when you got a closure above,
yeah,
and then it broke the high. What do you think was the reason that it didn't continue? It's just low volume?
Fuck knows, yeah. Just clearly a level that it doesn't like. I mean, on the hourly, it kind of makes sense, but we didn't know this until then. I mean, it looked pretty good confirmation that this was going to close bullish. But the hourly has respected this resistance. Can you see? Like, it has respected it. So just the higher time frames are just showing you a bit more clearer. But yeah, it just couldn't continue. I mean, if you look
because of the dojis there, you mean?
Yeah, I mean this hourly here wasn't the nicest, to be honest. That could have been a warning sign, but this one was so strong, and like the 30-minute was strongly closing above. The 15 was with this really strong candle. I was happy taking that for sure. I mean, to be honest with you, right? So if we got in like here. It went to around about 3 pips. If this went to like 5 here, I probably would have put a break even anyway. So it's just what happens, you know. The good thing is that we managed it nicely, and I didn't want to hold down. So for people trying to just think, like when they're starting trading, like, oh, maybe I'll just move my stop loss to here. Please, for the love of God, don't. Just stick with your stop loss. And if it hits, you go, yeah, tough shit. Maybe I, you know, it was just a fake out. Don't be butthurt about this. Like, if you lost this trade here and like you didn't trade this without me, like you just came up with it yourself, that was a good trade. That was very, very good. The only issue was the volume was not there, and it just clearly was rejected at a resistance.
GA's gone on 15-minute salary.
Yeah, I see. Let's see you. Take a look over here. So 15 pips for a 12, 13 pip gain. 30 minutes, got 4 minutes left. Looking good though, rejecting the highs for sure. Should be good. But yeah, I'm just not getting in because that 15. Let's take a look at what this weekly said on GJ. Let's take a look. So someone telling me looks very, very similar to what happened over here, doesn't it? Came up, rejected. This one potentially makes a top wick like this one does today, flips, and then you're going to drive back down. Wow, nice. Nice structure on the weekly, to be honest. Pretty nice. Comes back up to these highs, struggling a little bit. Struggling a little bit. Ooh, fucking hell. Right, I need to get ready for this bitch. So, let's take a look. Yeah, like around this zone would be nice. 370 level would be pretty good. Monday mornings are also normally tricky. Yeah, most of my losses come actually on Mondays, I've realized. The start of the weeks. Let's take a look over here. So 156083 would be pretty good as well to come down, and then furthermore, nice run at 155 with 600, which would be the filling of that wick that we talked about before. If this doesn't get a closure, then I'm just gonna wait another 15 minutes. But yeah, it's all good. Just Monday morning, man. A nice 5 pip losses is great, really, really good. So, someone tell me right now, if I was in this trade here, where would my stop be? So at the moment, my stop is here. Let's just do it hypothetically. What would I do now? Someone, where would I put my new stop loss?
Move your stop loss to the current, well, to what will be the previous 15 minute when it closes.
Yeah, exactly. Should respect that high now, especially if you want it to drive back down. You don't want it to come back in this zone at all, really.
Would you do that now, or would you wait till it closes?
I'd probably do that now. Yeah, it's 2 minutes left. If this comes back up and exceeds this high in the last 2 minutes, I'm not gonna like it anyway, because it's gonna be closing like this. Yeah. See what I mean? Like, that's not good. I'd be shitting my pants for that. So for sure, I'd be having my stop on there now. Yeah, it should get a drive down. Up to 15, well done, K-Roy, good lad. I like to see. Current 15 high, beautiful. Very, very good. Very, very good. Looks like gold has hit that TP here. Nice. That's where I expect price to come to. But yeah, you'd have to get in below here. 7 AM would have been nice. This area, 7:15 maybe here. Pretty good. Looks like GJ is not going to get the closure below, so I'm going to wait a bit longer. Just going to quickly go to the toilet and get some water. Actually, don't have any water. It'll be 2 minutes, guys. It won't be too long.
He's drinking water from the toilet, man. Drinking water from the toilet. That's funny. This is Sila.
Love how he fucks off with like 3 seconds to go before candle close. Cheers, Max. I bet he's taking the trade on the toilet. Let's analyze ourselves then. So
It's
30
fucking
minute.
going back up, mate. It's like a yo-yo. That's fucked.
Let's check. Well, 30-minute closed.
It's rejection, isn't it?
Just below support.
That GU is flipping with 1 hour. GU is also
15
flipping with
minute
1 hour.
close back.
Yeah, you fucking shit.
Yeah, 50-minute close back in the range again, but 30-minute close below.
What's this for?
Max, you drinking toilet water?
No, I've got a tap in the fucking lid. I'm not going to the kitchen. The kitchen's fucking miles away. Oh shit, G, you coming back up.
You went off and Bella goes, I think he's drinking toilet water.
Hey Max, what's your thoughts on GJ right now? Sorry.
It is in a range right here. I mean, I know this looks quite nice. Go, oh yeah, I could fill this wick up, but the only issue is that it is in a range. Price came back to the low over here, pulled back up quite a lot, like 6-7 pips, and also the 50-minute over here closed bullish. So fuck that shit.
Yeah, that 15 closed back in
Yeah.
that tiny little range. Yeah.
So I just want a bit.
And GU 1 hour flip, 3-minute flip
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, like right around this area is gonna be nice, I think. Oh yeah, oh yeah. GA. Oh, is GA gonna do the move over here? So if you got in at the time here, you're up around about 6 pips now, 7 pips now. For me, I'd probably put stops to break even. I think you should get this drive now. Look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, especially with that 5 minute before closing bullish here. I'd want to get this drive down now. This 15-minute is valid as well, and sorry, this 30-minute, like, don't be scared about this. Even though it's doji, it's not only indecision though. What it did was, it made the top wick of the hourly. That's what it did, and then it closed back below, so that's still valid. Because you can see here, the hourly's clean. So yeah, never get really like upset about this, like a 30-minute closing like this, because 15 minutes still nice, 15-minute bearish. This 30-minute here just made the top wick, obviously. 36 likes, beautiful stuff, guys. Make sure you like the stream, takes 2 seconds. I've even placed stop loss on the top of the 5 minute on GA. Ooh, Stefan, did you the 5 minute where? 5 minute here. But yeah, guys, obviously it's bank holiday for US, so don't be like rushing into trade. Just take it chill today. Just warming up, boy.
It's not normal, is it? Because of the American bank usually dictates everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, it takes a good proportion, to be fair. For sure. Oh yes. 4 hours still valid for buyers because it still hasn't exceeded the low. Really, it's been right on it, but yeah, I gotta wait. I'm taking a day off today, saving bullets for later on this week. Yes, hopefully like Friday again. So for people who may have not taken those trades on Friday, I'll show you kind of reasons why I was very, very happy. Okay, so the first thing, so this is the Friday, right? The first thing that I saw was bearish. Okay, so we were bearish all the way from London Open, which was oh no, we weren't. Sorry. I think the higher time frames are very, very bearish, and you could see that the dailies, the weeklies were starting to reject pretty hard. And then on the 14th, we came up through London, which was nice, but then we rejected straight again, and then the 50 minutes started pushing down hard. This candle closed strong, and all I said was that all I need to do to get in this trade here is make a top wick, because it can have the rejections here don't really phase me, because all it is resistance forming on the hourly. Also, what I liked about it was that the hourly time frame here, let's take a look, where was it? The hourly time frame was rejected, so you can see price was in a bearish structure. You can see here, if you draw a line from here to here, pretty obvious. Yeah, pretty obvious. This price came up, rejected here. This is the first confirmation when I was looking for sells here. then waited for a little top wick on the lower time frames, then entered and to push this bad lad all the way back down to here. So that was the first trade. Pretty nice, pretty simple. Took 10 pips from that. Unfortunately, the runner stopped me out, which is a bit annoying because that runner would have been nice. Because then, so the first trade was here. Stop loss above. TP was like here. Then this candle came all the way down, which was nice. We got a closure below support over here, like that. So then all I did for this one is we then re-entered. This candle opened, made the top wick. When we started flipping, I entered a sell again here. Is it on the flip or the low? I don't know, probably here. Stop loss above here. Then I took all that off as well. 10 pips. And then news happened, and I was gonna be tempted to take another trade, but Finn said no. So I was like, right, I'll leave it for the day.
Me? I didn't say shit.
You said there's a resistance level at 820. Don't take a sell.
Oh, I did actually. I did. Yeah, sorry.
I saw it going here on the 15. I was like, oh mate, this is gonna fucking fly. And then yeah, another entry would have been on this news candle over here, 130. Stop loss above. Another 10 pips. So when there's high volume, you know, you can take a lot of money out of the market. So don't be worried about a little 5 pip loss or whatever. We took 20 pips in 2 trades, and like, it's pretty nice. And yeah, I probably would have done this one again with the news. That one there with a stop loss above there as well. These all at break evens, obviously taking them. So yeah, I got 2.8% that day, which was nice. But yeah, see, so when there's big volume, there's a lot of big candles, trades are a lot nicer. You can see here now, it's struggling, man, it's struggling. I thought that this was the start of the nice candles, but clearly not. I would on GU. Yeah, I mean, that 15, yeah. But for sure, I mean, let's take a look over here. So if your stop was 6 pips, you're up around about 4 pips. I'd have this to break even because of the fact that we're coming towards this high again. It rejected it before. There's also wicks to the left here as well.
Yeah, for sure.
This shouldn't flip bearish now. This should continue. When you asked where would we put our stop loss if we were in a GJ trade, you were going to, for current 50-minute candle top wick. I said that I have stop loss on top of previous 5-minute candle in that movement. Ah, wicked. Wicked stuff. Did it work out? Did you hold on? Looks like it's still struggling to come on these lows over here. Let's take a look. So would have got to like 8 pips. Would have been in nearly break even soon. It's taking its time. Yeah, it looks like quite a slow day today, to be honest. Nothing much. Ooh, another subscriber. Thank you very much for subscribing. Samuel, wicked stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Ooh, Wiki, thank you for subscribing as well. I took the sell here. Let's take a look, so man. Ooh, GA, you got in on the 5-minute. Wicked stuff. So you got in. Did you get in? Which candle did you get in? Did you get into this candle, or this candle? For me, you should have got in on this candle. So I would have got in like there on the 5-minute. Looks good though, nice. So you're in like 15 pips profit anyway. You got in a bit higher. Book 6%, yes, on the red candle. Nice, beautiful. Very, very tasty.
Max, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to ask you, you don't think because of the holiday of the US, the moving of the GG and the all pairs will be affected?
Yeah. Oh yeah, especially in the US time. I mean, it shouldn't really affect this because this is London, but for definitely in the US, it's going to be very, very slow. So that's why we're not trading NY today. Yeah. Have you ever been in the US? Yes, I've been to New York, LA. It's pretty much. I did the whole.
What
the
about
whole of
Vegas?
LA.
You didn't go Vegas?
No, I haven't been to Vegas yet. That would be cool though, definitely for sure. At some point. For sure, for sure. So yeah, like don't be playing with this like over here in this zone. This is just in a range. Just identify it and then only get interested when you break above and below, really. GG. Yeah. Yeah.
Next, I have a question. With that zone, the 30-minute minor supports, like I know you normally mark it up on the 15 and the 30, but if you get a close below 367 there, what would be your thought process on the 30-minute support just beneath that?
Yeah.
No, on the right hand side.
That doesn't really affect me, to be honest. It's because of the main kind of level. So you can see that price here has came back to this zone. Price here has came back to this zone. Price here had a little support. Price here had a little support. This is the big level, the key level. You can see it pretty easily. So when we do close below here, we're gonna start to push down. I'm not really. I think being, you know, kind of scared about a couple candles, it shouldn't be the issue. Like, and let's take a look at the time of that candle as well. Like, yeah, look, it's 12 o'clock. Like, it's nothing really. If you look here in high volume times, it's actually clean. So yeah, I'm not really too bothered about this because and actually in general, the candles are still quite big. I mean, this one was just a bit of a small one, but these are still big candles, clean here. So yeah, it's not really too much of a scary thing, to be honest.
So two things to take out of that is, like, one thing is when was the candle formed, like in what session?
Yeah.
And then maybe another thing is it just one little pullback, or is it actually like ranging, like on the left hand side there?
Yeah, like fully ranging. So like here
a bit more of a range.
You can see here it's ranging, but the one thing that I don't really mind about ranging, it's mainly support. So if I'm in a trade and I get to this level, right? So this level here, yeah, it could potentially reject, but only like a slight. It's more probability it's going to reject on the support, like this level. And normally, you know, when you're in zones, it fills a zone up, meaning that if it fills a zone, it's going to go to the next support, and that is the next support.
And I guess that wick there from that little minor support did come all the way down to that bottom of the zone.
Yeah,
well.
Can you see all of these wicks here, like touched it, like there. So yeah, don't be kind of too worried about that, because also what you're going to say to yourself is when you come to this level, you're going to be at break even anyway, so it gives a shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be worried.
It was just
about
if I get a close further down than 367, it comes close to that support. I would be thinking, oh, is it worth getting in or not?
Yeah. Well, depending.
I need that confidence just to enter it. But.
Exactly. And if you're a bit scared of it, then wait for more of a top wick. It's one of the things you got to do. So like, if you get a closure like this, and you're a bit like, oh, then if you're just a bit scared, then just wait a bit more for a nice top wick to tap that zone and then flip, but then you should be good. Yeah, don't be worried about that.
Nice. Yeah, I think that's what I'm missing right now. It's just that that confidence to be able to say, no, it's definitely going to go through this bit, or
like the one on Friday, and a lot of you guys didn't really like this one here.
Yeah, same sort of idea in a way.
Same kind of thing. Where was it? Was it here? No. Where the fuck was it?
On the right, isn't it?
It was on the 14th, is it? Oh no, 14th is. Oh yeah, here. Like this for me, with the hourlies, I think the hourlies is the thing that I'm looking at. So like, look here, I saw this, and I saw this one made the top wicks. I'm like, fuck, like this is gonna look pretty good. Then obviously the 15 closes here. This is not enough for me. This one is though, and you know, if we're closing solidly, look at the candles as well, big candles. I could get my stop on the high, and then trail it all the way to the bottom here, 22 pips. Yeah.
I've noticed that the daily flip always seems to act as some sort of support as well.
Sometimes, yeah.
But I guess if it's going to flip it, then that with volume it should push through it anyway.
Yeah. 12 o'clock as well, perfect time really. So it looks like GA has potentially done this move now. It's been very, very slow though. I wouldn't be liking this trade. Look at the 5 minutes, fucking hell.
It's horrendous. I'm still in it, and it's just. I nearly got stopped out. It was 0.4 pips at 1 second, but it's not great.
Yeah, that's rough. That's the only thing about GA, man. Sometimes it just runs really shit. Are you at break even now, though? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm definitely at break even. I've been at that for a while. I went break even kind of early because it was just not playing around very nicely.
Yeah. I mean, potentially actually this low or even furthermore here would be quite interesting. I think if this candle flips here, as long as it doesn't exceed the high of the previous, which is where your entry is anyway, then you should be good.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm only 3 point now. It's pulled back up. I'm only 3.6 pips in profit, so
we shall see. Gamble in Vegas with Uncle Ted. Yeah. It's still on now, but my stop loss in break even reached 7 pips max. Beautiful. Yeah, you shouldn't be losing this GA trade now, everyone who's in it. What about GBP USD? Oh my god, it's gonna hit lives. I mean, actually, to be honest with you now, let's take a look at the 30-minute and the hourly. 30-minute looks fucking rough, but I mean, that 5-minute is not nice. But however, if this was like the start, I mean, this is closed above on this flip, potentially take it with the low, but I don't know how GU moves. I don't trade GU. Looks like
the worst pair in the world, mate. That's the most dangerous pair in the world.
Yeah. Stay away from
I don't think I've ever won on that.
Look at that 15 minutes here. Fuck. Yeah, the structure.
I'll tell you what though. If I go into it, you should do the opposite because you'll win. So I don't think I've ever won on that.
Yeah, I need to start a trading robot to just inverse your GU trades. You should be good. Pablo says, I hate GJ. Oh, really? So much cleaner, man. When it wants to move, that is. So there we go, straight at the highs over here on gold, and then make some resistance. Beautiful price action in gold there. Pretty nice. But yeah, it looks like another London session with no volume. Fuck me. It's been like this for like 3 weeks. Not no volume, but very spontaneous volume if it does have any volume. If not, it's pretty slow. Are you still in this, or did it tap you out there? Scott. Another break even. Abdul got a break even over here. Nice. That's good though, man. You know, if this comes out and plays out nicely now, then that's tough luck, man. You know, don't be pissed off about that. It's just how it is. Man, the London session since the start of the year is so shitty. It has been min, hasn't it? Fucking hell. It's good though. It's good that we got lots of months. I hate London, man. As per my trading journal, I have more losses in London than NY. Yeah. Sometimes it's okay, like when there's like lots of volume, but yeah, it is quite hard. I've barely taken any trades really since the start of January. Barely taken. That's why, like on Instagram, I haven't had any like recordings for it because there's literally been none. But that's grand, as long as you're not really taking any and not losing lots, then that's good. Thanks for the stream, Max. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow, Scarlett. Simulation sessions. We're gonna do. Let's take a look over here. Anyone find a route into GA if there's a top wick on the next candle? Ooh. Ooh, is he still in this over here? If there's a top wick on the next candle, I'm going in. Oh, is Tom gonna get in now? With this flipping? Ah, you boys in GA here. If this comes out now, you're gonna be pissed. Do bars in England charge for cleaning up vomit? Yeah, man, not really. I would say maybe a bar, but like a club, probably not. You just get thrown out. Why try and bet better than the losses? Yeah, man. Let's take a look at this 5 minute. Ooh. Yeah, this 5-minute GA is not nice at all. 50-minute looks okay now. It's just now, you know, where would your stop be? 10 pips for a 10 pip gain? Yeah, could be okay. I'm not going to take it though. Fuck that. When you look at the 5-minute, it looks like that. Hell no, I'm going to leave it. Oh my god. Oh my god. People are going to be butthurt on GU today. Fuck. It's been faked out twice. Yeah, fake out land today, man. There's booby traps everywhere. I'm fucking chilling. Oh, if this GA plays out and Scott gets hit out here, no.
Have you seen GJ? The rejection on GJ.
Oh my god, let's take a look. Oh my god, it's just everywhere, man. Yeah, I'm happily sitting here and relaxing. Fuck this. Be careful, everyone. Be careful. Just take a day off. But really good example. Make sure to go back on the stream and take a look at that trade that we took. It was beautiful from start to finish, and how to manage it for sure. For sure. Full stop loss was 10 pips, then moved it to 5. Guys, what the fuck is that? Nah. It's not playing, man. Be careful with this stuff. $30-minute over here, closing in 8 minutes time. You can see that. Oh, looks like GJ's finally potentially coming back up over here. But what am I gonna do potentially if I want to take a trade on GJ? Someone tell me, what am I only waiting for here? If I don't get it, then I'm just gonna probably leave it. I'm not even gonna look at the lower time frames. It's on this time frame that I want.
Yeah, 1 hour close above.
Yeah. I'm waiting for a 1 hour close, and it's gonna have to be quite a solid closure, to be honest. Like this. Then I will. But any of this fucking bullshit here, I'm not playing that range. Hell no. Yes, closure above. Beautiful. So 4 hour about to flip again. Seems valid again. Nice. Wow. Let me just move this a bit higher. Put that in the 15 here. Like that. 1.8. So looks like GA is still being like a bastard over here, guys. So yeah, be careful, man. It is only Monday. Don't lose all your dollars. Let's take a look at tomorrow. GBP news at 7 AM. Nice. That'll be pretty nice. Unemployment change looks like it's going to be pretty similar to what they expect. Sorry, from what they had last time. Let's take a look at 19th. Yeah, more GBP news, CPI, all that kind of stuff. It seems to be pretty consistent. I've realised that GBP news barely moves GBP like at all, really, unless it's really, really big. Thursday nothing, and Friday nothing really. So yeah, pretty clean week though, which is good. Which is very, very good. So closing in 5 minutes, clearly nothing for me to take. I'll have to wait for another 15 minutes above. And if I don't get that, then I'm leaving that boy for tomorrow, and I'm gonna have a nice chill day. Gonna do some YouTube videos and stuff. I'm gonna watch Match of the Day as well. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Mr. Dr. Dollar. Make sure you go see him some love. Oh, he's finished over here. Yeah, Man City game. Fuck, man. God damn, they're too good. Let's take a look for some more live streams over here. Luke trades London.
When crisis strikes, recovery takes shape.
Yes, Ali. That's also facts. Get out without a loss.
Ow.
But fuck it. I would.
Do you know one thing that I can't look at people's charts now is the fucking the lines, the grids. I'm so glad I took them off. They make me feel ill. Match of the day: Coutinho versus Man. Yeah, Coutinho did well, man. He played well. Yeah, for people who've got lines in their charts, please take them off. They're fucking disgusting. You'll like that. So like this is what people have them on, like this. Hey, look at that. That looks like shit. So just press right click settings. Opacity off. Looks so much better. Oh, no way. It's gonna do it. That was rough though. Fucking hell, man. Look at these 5-minute candles. God damn. God dang.
I nearly thought about when it was coming back up on that 15-minute chart to put my stops
on the high
above. Yeah, there. I was like, oh, just to give it slightly more room and take a 1 pip loss, whatever the hell it was. But I didn't, and yeah, oh well.
Yeah, I think if you were in, so you were in profit over here, right? 5-6 pips. If you did that 100 times, I think you'd lose more money than you would gain. Because
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because if you're taking 2-3 pip losses every single time, if it's coming up over here, you know, it's most of the time going to tap you out. It's just, you know, one time out of 100 isn't going to change much. But it's good though to think about that, because a lot of people will be like, oh, next time I'll do it. And it's like, yeah, but if you do that 100 times, is it going to be profitable? Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Stein finally got kicked out of Australia, yeah? What do you think about that?
Yeah, I saw that.
I'd never go back there, mate.
Probably. Well, he's banned for 3 years from coming back in now
Fuck
because of the visa cancellation or something.
I don't understand the whole. I don't understand why everyone's jumping on this bandwagon about taking the vax, because the whole purpose of taking the vax was so you wouldn't put the NHS or the hospitals under pressure, right? That's a personal choice, right?
Yeah.
I can't understand it, you know.
Nah, but I think for him it's mainly due to the Australian government. Like if he can just walk in without getting one and no one else can, it's kind of taking the piss out of them, really. Like I just think it's the concept.
If you were going on holiday, Max, right? You have a choice of taking the vax. You can take one of those PCR tests, right?
Yeah.
All of a sudden, they've made it a law that you have to be vaxxed now.
Yeah,
Taking human rights away from you, right?
I know.
We can't even travel interstate at the moment. Like, I can't travel to Western Australia. The borders are closed. Like, it's not even a possibility.
It is ridiculous.
There's you see stuff on the news where there's like parents who have had kids that have passed away and they want to go pick up the kid's body and their stuff and they're not allowed to do it. Like, just like it's ridiculous. Our country at the moment is just ridiculous.
Yeah. It is.
Anyway, mate. We've got our MPs over here having fucking parties while we're in prison.
I know, fucking twat. To be fair, I was fucking partying, so I'm not. I don't feel as bad because I was pretty sure I was partying on that day, to be honest.
I was as well.
Yeah, fuck that. I've never listened to the first thing what he says, man. Useless. You get fined if you take a loud. You get fined if you take a loud shit.
Oh.
Yeah, wow, man. So, looking at all the pairs in general, you can see that GJ is closing in the range. GA is, well, we expected it to come back to this low, but it is taking a fucking long time. GU rejected. It's actually faked out twice now. But you wouldn't have got caught on the fake out here, really, unless you got entered on it. Probably wouldn't. And gold is just hitting the resistance, so yeah, really nothing much. It's tickling my pickle. I'm gonna give it an extra 15 minutes, maybe 9 o'clock will give it a bit more of a push, but if there's nothing that's clean and nice, I ain't taking shit. So always be cautious. If it's on your second trade, you're already taking a loss, don't be just rushing into things. Just wait for a proper setup. what I would normally do when I started off was that I'd be taking a loss and I'd be looking just to try and get it back. I'd be trying to look for a trade which wasn't really there, and then you take 2 losses and you're like, oh well, that's fucking great, isn't it? Like, you know, just chill out.
Just Monday, you know?
Exactly, man, exactly. 15-minute close bearish over here, top wick again. I mean, if you were in this trade now, I mean, I don't know, it's just, it's taking too long for the amount of pips you're gonna gain. It's just fucking useless. If I was in this and got in like here, I'd probably put it at break even, just fucking. I think Tom's in this actually. I have gold up. Ooh. Yeah, just. So Tom's in it. Nice. Oh, we're gonna look at Green Bull's chart over here. Beautiful work. Yep, 572. That's what I was looking for. We got the nice closure. Fortune figures out. GA sells below 639. Yep, looks like people have got that. It's been taking a long time though. So it does look like in general GA is more of a hold and wait for a bit longer, whereas GJ is a push and it should give you that push. Where can we send charts? You can send charts either on the YouTube or in Discord. The Discord link is here. Yeah, excited to do simulation sessions again. That last one, people in the mentorship, if you haven't watched that last one, please make sure you go and do it, because there's really good examples of why I was taking those trades on Friday as well. I'll try to find when I was pushing down over here. Is that the big trade at the start? Oh, I don't know. But it's a really good example of why I wanted to hold this one on, because of certain higher time frames, etc. Are you ever going to do a meet and greet in the UK? I would, but I need to be a lot bigger for that, for sure. I need to be a lot bigger on Instagram. Instagram's hard to grow, man. Holy shit. Like, it's really, really hard. YouTube's good because every day, like, new people come in and it's not bad. But, yeah, Instagram's hard, man. To do it naturally. If you just buy it, it's just useless. But, yeah, to actually grow it, it's hard. You gotta do some cool Instagram pictures. But I'm gonna focus on a bit of TikTok, I think, because TikTok you can get one video and it blows you up a little bit. So I might just do that. I know Control FX is TikTok, so I may go on that. I go by a 1 hour trading pattern mostly. Ah, nice. Yeah, hourlies look good for GA, but it's still not playing. Like, you know, even if things look nice, if you know that it's not moving the way you want it to, then just get out, man. Just get out. There's so many more opportunities. Because the one thing that's really, really annoying is that you're in a trade for ages, you know it's not working well, and then you lose it, you're like, oh, mate, like, what was a fucking waste of time. So, yeah. So, hourly over here, closed bearish. So, for me, I think I'm going to be very, very cautious in taking an extra trade. Oh, thank you very much, Cambolion. What is it? Camogililo. Nice. Cool name. Sometimes YouTube delay is 10 seconds. Is there less time lag on Zoom compared to YouTube for following your trades? Yes. Well, if you're in my Zoom, you have all my trades set. So, like, if you take a look over here. So, the signals this morning, I always say potential GJ buy. So, I gave you a couple minutes to get it sorted, and then we put it on. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys do want to join the mentorship, though, I will put it on here. We've got 100 members now. Yeah, we have. So, in a week, you know, so it costs $49.99 a month. In a week, you get 10 live streams. You get 1 webinar, 1 simulation, and also, like, loads of clips and videos all the time. Yeah, so obviously, throughout a month, you get a lot of shit. And, yeah, obviously, all the signals as well. Every single day, which is good as well. Look at the 5 minutes again. Yeah, man, fuck. I'd probably be taking this off. If I was at break even, then yeah, I'd probably be okay. But if I was in this trade now and we were just like in profit or like only a bit in profit, I'd take that bitch off. Maxine shout, my cousin. His name is Hayward Jalbalomi. Have I said that right? Hayward Jabalomi. Cool wicket. Haywood, that's a cool name like that. Haywood. What the fuck
Max,
is that?
Haywood,
man.
you blow me.
Max.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, Max.
I've never even heard that one before.
Oh my God, are you living under a rock?
I've never
Just
heard
put
of
right in
that.
it.
Oh my God.
That's just made my night. Thanks for that.
He just got you so good.
He did. Fuck. I've never seen that one. Fuck. You got me so hard. Oh, grief. I was like, fuck, this guy sounds like he's from like fucking some African place or some shit. I was like, jeez.
Gotta be polite and say that Haywood, that's a good name.
I quite like that name Haywood as well. It's quite a cool name. You guys are decent. Oh my god, you got me fucking good there. Holy shit. They do that to Raja too. Oh god. I was completely oblivious. Fucking hell.
I'm not saying you're right. What was it you were getting mixed up with? What word?
Fucking neighbour. Oh, Christ.
I'm not saying it right.
Oh my god. I was saying it right. Well, you know, I don't want to be defensive if it's someone's fucking, like, name and shit. I don't like it, you know?
Oh, absolutely.
Goal isn't actually bad, but the volume, yeah. As I say, like, up, down here is nice. 715. You always see that with gold, like just 5 minutes printing, but they haven't closed below above, and then you just take it on the 5 minute, the 15. Like when structure looks like this. Pretty nice. You streamers never learn, never ever give shout out to anybody ever. Yeah, I know that now. Fuck. So there we go. I mean, let's take a look. So 388. It's moved like fucking hell, 22 pips, but nothing much in the direction. I mean, that 8 o'clock move here, I may have probably done, to be honest, if I wasn't in the other one, because the hourly was with me and it was flipping the 4 hour, and it made a top wick. So that would have been like one of the ones I've done in the simulation, which are very, very cheeky. Even though the left here is pretty bad, I think that strong candle here would have been giving me enough confirmation, and the hourlies here as well. Whoa. So what I would have done was, let's see how much stop was there. Oh, 8 pip stop as well. Fuck, I would have done that. 8 pip stop would have taken half off at 4 pips. Would have gained like 12. So if I lost that trade, it would have been like a 5 pip loss as well, 6 pip loss. Whoa. Not too bad. 2 to 1 risk to reward, not too shabby. But yeah, you know, I really like taking them losses, especially on stream when people can see them and see like the emotion side. Like I mean I did have Raja eventually, but like at the start I was too much by myself and your own thoughts, like when you're taking trades and stuff. But when you see someone else doing it and you're like, wow, this geezer's not too bad, you know, he's just taking a loss or whatever. And he's happy with it. It's the longevity. If you can do it for a long time, you're good. Like last week, sorry, we took like 3 losses in the first 2 days. 1 win after them covered all of them because I keep my losses really, really small. It comes an issue when your losses are really, really big. And then when you start off trading, normally you'll have. So this is your start balance, right? This is normally your start balance. Okay, so nice. You normally get really good wins. The first weeks you get fucking wins on wins. You're doing something like this. You feel like the next Warren Buffett, and then you do a bad trade, and you normally risk a bit more because you move your stop loss. Because you're like, I can't take a loss. Then you're like this, and then you may take another one, and then you're like this. Then you're coming towards your entry of your account, and then you try and do a bit of a bigger trade to make that up because you're like, oh, so high up. You try and it may come in a bit of profit, then come further. Now you're below your entry, you're pissed off, then you overtrade again, and then there you go, you just lost your whole account. Well done. I did that probably a good fucking 20 times when I was younger.
That fucking sounds a bit like me.
So what you're gonna do is when you have the equity curve, you gotta have a nice gain. If you take a loss, it's gonna be smaller. Then a nice gain again, and then maybe you take 2 losses. So you have a little loss here, then you take another little loss, and then you have 1 gain. It's always coming up. It's always, you know, gaining because your winners are bigger. The issue is when you move your stop loss with your losses, and these become bigger losses like that. So the one thing I would tell someone who starts is never move your stop. Never do what DA Forex does. So looks like potentially maybe coming to destination finally. Fucking hell, I'm glad I didn't take that trade. I would have been fucking pissed off. Let's take a look. So his target is 300. Okay, so Tom's holding on a bit longer. Where is it 300 for? Let's take a look over here. Ah, to that low. Yeah, it could be alright. But yeah, wow. So whoever held that on, I bet you'll be sweating now. Take a shower and have a nice day. Fucking hell, that looks rough on the 15-minute. Oh! I mean, to be honest, I could have taken that. So what I would have done is like this one close back down, wait for the top wick. But then here, I probably would have tried to close some because you're 8 pips draw down. GA good down. Yeah, it's good to come down, but it wasn't the cleanest, was it? It was very, very... Look at the 5 minutes. Oh my god! So yeah, GU completely rejected. Flipping the 4 hour now. Look at that. So yeah, potentially later. Oh well, I would say potentially later on sells below here would be nice, like on the higher time frames. But we're not trading later on. Max, you got a sim rig. What for, like racing? No, my dad has one, so I just use his every so often. I actually want to buy one. Can I, like, but the thing is I don't have enough room in here. I'll have to put it somewhere. I do want one though, because bro, I'm playing fucking, he's got a Thrustmaster, I think it's called Thrustmaster. I'm playing Forza and I'm getting my ass beat on every race, man. And I'm a good racer, like, you know, I've got it in my blood. My dad's a racing driver. Like I know the racing lines, I know what to do, I know what gears to be in, but fuck, like I'm getting beat and I'm like, it's really pissing me off. Hard with the controller, yeah, man. Had a G29, those were good. Yeah, which one would you recommend for like just beginner? Like I could just whack on like the fucking thing. Cause my dad's got a proper beefy one, but like that shit's got like 20 newtons of force. Like, get G29. The Logitech. Can you use that on Forza? Oh, that's pretty good.
Well, guys, I'm out of here, man. I'll see you later, yeah?
See you later, boss, man. Well, I won't see you later. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah? We ain't doing you...
yeah, see you tomorrow, dude. See you in the morning.
See you later, brother.
Cheers, boy. See you later, boys.
See you later, man. Did you say that it does work on there? Okay, cool. Ah, nice. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. So I can just whack it on my desk over here. Yeah, I just spent a fucking... So I just spent some money on some fucking clothes over here. I don't know why, but I just wanted this hoodie because the hoodie is fucking soft. I just got my girlfriend one. I was like, bro, I need one as well. In this colour, I look like Kanye. It's stone cold.
£120 on a hoodie. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro. What happens when you got FOREX money? Nah, bro. Like you just, you know, you just gotta treat yourself every so often. I got my shoes as well. My shoes now. Let's see how much actually they are. They are stock X. See how much.
You buying girls' clothes, Maxi boy?
Yeah, bro. Big girl clothes, man.
What the fuck are they?
What?
Oh, is that a website?
Yeah. It's like a reseller's one. Yeah, I bought these bad lads. They're fucking fire. I like them. Yeah, they sell for 900 quid. Fuck.
Holy shit!
Yeah. Mine are beat up as well, man. I wore these in the clubs. I got curry sauce on these on a night out. Like they're fucking shag, but I quite like them a bit rough. They look pretty cool. Yeah, man, off-white. I bought these like a year ago or something. Let's see how much my size is going for. The fucking. Oh, their size. I'm like a 10. Yeah, I think I'm like 10 and a half. Wait, that's like 9.5 in it. I'm a 10.
US,
So that's
US size, isn't it?
Fuck, 1,137. Jeez. I bought them for retail. No, I didn't. I had to buy resale. It was like they were like I only bought them for like 400 quid. That's actually not too bad.
That's right, mate. It's 10 pips for you, isn't it? Probably less.
Yeah, exactly. I had a limit NMD. Jeez. Thing is, that Ferrari coat that I've got, this shit is like this is from the mechanics. My dad got them from one of the Ferrari mechanics at the F1 race. This one here. So that shit is fucking. You won't be able to find one of them ever. It's still got the Marlboro signs on. It's like the old OG ones. They're sick. Nice. Stick to $100 shoes, Max. Yeah, to be fair, I don't really spend that much shit, to be honest. I really don't. To be honest, I don't really buy stuff as many. My last just goes, oh, these are good. I go, yeah, great, buy them.
Max, the big question is, do you put gravy on your chips?
Ah, fuck yeah.
Really?
Nah, to be fair, I'm on a night out, right? I would get curry sauce with chips and fucking cheese in with loads of vinegar and salt on.
That is definitely a UK thing.
Yeah, curry
That's a
sauce.
North UK thing.
Nah, curry sauce on anything. But to be honest, if I go on a night out, it's definitely a kebab with fucking garlic sauce. And like, I'll do the garlic sauce myself. I'll go, give me that fucking garlic sauce, and I'll absolutely drizzle the cunt. I don't want a dry kebab. I want it moist.
Yeah, when you wake up in the morning and you can't breathe, mouth feels horrendous.
I like kebab. Like, I would eat a kebab now sober. Like, I fucking like that shit. They're gorgeous. Pineapple on pizza, no, that is a no-go. I'm sorry, that shit is a no-go.
I disagree with you there.
Really? Oh, do you know what I had? Do you know what I had before? Where was it? I got a pizza. I'll try to find the form. I think it's called like Italy. Is it Italy? Oh, no, it was like a.
Delete Scott right now.
I got a pizza with like truffle oil that it had over it. It had truffle base and it had a truffle sausage. It was fucking. It smelled so strong, but it was good shit. I like truffles. Truffle is like my little go-to. Butter chicken, jeez. So it looks like Jay did it, yeah, did the move, wicked stuff, finally. But yeah, that was a ball ache for people. So if you lost a little bit of money here, or you lost a lot of money, think of why you took a lot of money. I took a very, very little amount of loss over here, and that was because it was a fake out, and it was beautiful. It made the low wick for me, exceeded the high. I had a beautiful, 8-9 pip stop. We continued bullish, we could not continue, and that's just what happens sometimes. The good thing is that you could manage it on the 15-minute. So if you guys just held your stop here, why? You should have put it here, man. I should have respected the low of the previous, because we know bullish structure, if it wants to continue, it has to exceed the high of the previous, which is what it did, but it has to never exceed the low, okay? So why would you have your stop here when you can have it here now, okay? Pineapple on pizza is good. Oh man, no. It's just fucking no. Lebanese food is amazing. Ooh, yeah. I just like food in general. I'm just a fucking fat cunt.
Have you tried pineapple on pizza?
Yeah, rough. Fucking rough. Couldn't think of anything worse. And I'm not a picky guy. Like, I eat basically everything, but pineapple on pizza, just when you're chewing it, it's sweet, and like, oh, what the fuck is this? Like,
yeah, you can't put sweet stuff on pizza. The only thing sweet can go on is like sweet chili sauce. That's
yeah,
it.
Exactly. Go to yeah, sweet chili sauce. I like garlic mayo on pizza. Fuck, I just love garlic mayo in general, to be honest. Turkish.
You must have a reinforced toilet, don't you?
Yeah, bro. My toilet's got some reinforcement. My kebabs and garlic sauce. Pizza Punks Newcastle. Yeah, that's fucking good shit. I like it in there. The mac and cheese in there is good. I like mac and cheese, man, but every time I look at it and look at like the fat content, I'm like, oh my god, I'm literally gonna die of a heart attack. Like, fuck. Like mac and cheese is just literal fat. Like it's just fat on a plate. What's the most disgusting food you've taken? You've taken? I'd probably say like some sort of like mushroom. Probably like a fucking mean one, like a slimy, rotten one which just stinks of cum. Like, nah, fuck that. Heartburn after I get less so filthy. And yeah, some mushrooms just don't tickle my pickle at all, man. Like the ones I've got like fucking hairs on them. Like, what the fuck is that? Absolutely no way. Like the big ones, like sometimes they how do you... Not what they taste like, what they smell like. You fucking idiot.
It's a good question though.
Smell, not taste. Smell. They smell like cum. It's fucking disgusting.
To be fair, he's clearly not got a girlfriend, has he?
Ever tried Indian food? Yes, I'm a fucking Indian lover. Oh yes. But they do. Indian food fucking rips my asshole apart. I'm not gonna lie. I've been on a night out before, after one, and like, fuck me, I felt dense. Like, oh my god, I had to do a tactical whitey actually. But yeah, Indian food is good for sure. Rogan Josh. Oh,
hey guys, what's up?
Hello guys. There is absolutely no trades going on over here. But yeah, let's see what time it is.
No trades, Max.
No trades. But we'll start it off tomorrow.
I was with the support for 1 hour. Shit.
You with you?
Funds. Yeah.
Are they sold out now?
They will update my old account for a new account. So that's why there's been delay.
Yeah.
Because I was using the old account on my FOREX funds.
Someone
Say what?
Someone on YouTube says you whites are soft. Nah, I like spice and shit, but like, I think it's just because I'm a fat cunt. I'll have like the what are they called for starters? You'll have like the little cracker things. What are they called? Poppadoms. And then I'd have Boona prawn on puree. Then I'd have like a lamb Rogan Josh with pilau rice, and then a naan bread as well. So like that's dense. Like that's like dense. Yeah, I want to go like Gordon Ramsay's things. He's got like a chicken one. Have you seen the guy on YouTube who does like fast food things? My god, when I'm hungover, I love to watch him. Yeah, wait, fast food reviews. He's like some guy, and he's so Yorkshire. He's well funny. Let's take a look. Yeah, this guy. Oh my god, where's that geezer? Nah, this is the guy I'm talking about. He's proper. He sounds like Connor from 10 Pips Daily, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe a bit more, actually. Let's take a look. Proper, like, Yorkshire. Sourdough pizza. Oh. Go to the London restaurant. Yeah, I know.
Every time.
I always go to Ivy in the London. Ivy's nice. Let's take a look and see. He's so cute. He literally just goes around and tries all the takeaways in the UK. Bless him. It's literally his job. He loves it. I'd love to do that job. Imagine. Look at it there.
For it, my takeaway.
Wait, my takeaway. We're in Leeds.
Go to this place called LS6 Dutch Fries. Now, it's quite popular in that area because it's full of students, alright? And I mean,
students, alright. He sounds like Barnsley.
Max, have you seen a Blue Van Man?
Yes.
He's a fucking hero.
Yeah, Nobu. Wait, what's the Salt Bay's restaurant? I want to see his prices. Apparently, like, it's pretty.
Salt Bay is such a joke.
London.
He's got a golden steak.
Man, he is making. I would love to see his profit and loss statement, like his company. To be fair, you could probably find it on company houses. It's not like
I just don't get it. I just don't get it.
Well, it's just for Instagram, innit? I mean, it's just what it is.
just to put salt on your own steak.
Well, no, like it's the whole like thing of like I'm just trying to flex. Like that's what it is. Like, apparently, it isn't even that good. Like someone who went said it isn't actually that good. Obviously, the gold stuff has been here for like, years. Like in Dubai, I've had big gold stuff. Like, it's not really a bad thing, but like apparently it's just is this what it is?
Fair play to the guy though. Like he's done very well.
So £45 meatball with cheese. That is the one that I want. 180 quid. Fuck. A cappuccino.
You can get that down my local pub for like 7 quid.
Yeah, a
Not even that,
cappuccino
like a
for
fiver.
50 quid. Oh, here's the. So, steak 300 quid. Gold giant tomahawk 1400. It's mainly like the small. Isn't like the Red Bull. Like, let's see how much Red Bull is. Oh, there's no Red Bull. So let's just take a look. So, like I don't know, like stuff like that kind of like just pisses me off. Like imagine like going there and then walking outside and there's like a homeless guy there. Like it'd just be a bit like I don't know, just a bit too like dickheadish. Like, oh yeah, I just spent 50 quid in a cappuccino. Oh my god. I bet if you go there, it's full of proper tossers, like fully. Which Turkey would be cheap to take a fight there. Yeah, there's one in Turkey, isn't there? And it's a lot cheaper. It's like not even that bad. Yeah. So 3 minutes time, still not closing above. Nothing really much for me. So yeah, bro. Margarita pepperoni for free. Oof. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. It's been very, very fun. Hard to take the trades though. Been nothing really for me at all. But yeah, took a little loss on GJ. Very, very happy with that loss. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Are we doing a simulation or anything later? Nothing today, but tomorrow I think we're gonna do them for sure.
I like that term. 10 pips for hoodie.
Oh yes. What did I rate for? 10. Turkey 10 out of 10. Wow.
Hey Max, have you seen Hasbulla?
Yeah. He's funny.
Oh my god.
He is pretty funny. Yeah, but guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for coming on. But yeah, learn how to manage risk from start to finish again. But yeah, got to take that little loss over here. Beautiful work. So thank you very much.
Hey Max, I wasn't
Cheers,
here,
Haywood.
so NY. No NY.
No NY, yeah, no NY. It's US bank holidays. No point, man. Take a nice day off.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Okay. See ya, Max.
See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later. Thank
See
you
ya,
very
guys.
much.
See
you
ya,
later.
guys.
Cheers, mate.
Guys. See you later.
See ya, guys.
Adios,
See ya.
amigo.
Peace.
Oh my god, why does it do this again?
Hasta mañana.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you get some nice volume. But yeah, peace out, guys. See you later. Adios, amigos.